Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unreal Universe. Let's talk about the Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S10 today. I know it's too early to talk about S10, but there are a lot of rumors flowing on the web about Samsung Galaxy S10. As S9 and S9 Plus were only a little upgrade over S8 and S8 Plus, but S10 would be a complete change in the design like Apple did with the iPhone 10 after iPhone 7. So Samsung might divert a massive portion of its resources and efforts to the development of upcoming Galaxy S10. Some rumors suggest that the flagship might not be called as Galaxy S10 but rather Galaxy X. As its biggest rival, Apple got a complete redesigned device at the 10th anniversary. Samsung wants to come up with something greater than that, and having 2 digits in a specific smartphone seems a bit awkward, but Samsung is still confused about the name. So, do you think that Galaxy S series would be a better smartphone series? Let me know in the comments section below. And Samsung has used its Super AMOLED display since the first Galaxy S series and has improved with it with every passing year. According to recent leaks, Galaxy S10 will feature a next generation OLED panel and the most awaited feature, that is the complete bezel-less design and screen-to-body ratio of whopping 100%, but there are some limitations to do it. Samsung has filed a number of patents recently which could be the presentation of their upcoming Galaxy S10. One of these patents show the iPhone 10 like notch on the top and a number of horizontal and vertical camera placements on the back, but it is just a patent and I personally think that Samsung won't do it. Rather, Samsung could go with the second patent, which is representing 100% screen on the front and a single rear facing camera on the back. I know there is no space for front facing camera and proximity earpiece, but Samsung could develop such technology until the release of next S series flagship device. And in-display fingerprint sensor is already coming with the Note 9, which will follow the S10. Other hardware specs like Snapdragon 855, which is the first 7nm process. What improvements this processor will bring with itself, do let me know in the comment section below. And in other parts of the world, Exynos 9820 will be the heart of Samsung Galaxy S10, and Samsung might incorporate its own GPU in the S10, which could be a better optimized with the software and other components to give better battery life and high efficiency. Samsung is already working on LPDDR5 RAM, which is based on 10nm process and will be 15% better efficient and 10% more performance. And the question arises that how much the RAM will be. We could find 2 variants, one with 6 gigs of RAM and the other with 8 gigs of RAM on the Samsung Galaxy S10. Lithium-ion battery era has not yet finished, and producing capable batteries with advances in battery technology is too expensive. Until then, Samsung has to find ways to conserve battery and place bigger batteries. So S10 would be coming with a 4000 mAh battery capacity, maybe more than that. So S10 would be the first phone to come with 5G technology, as Snapdragon 855 is the first 5G capable modem, also known as Snapdragon X50. So that is all we know about S10 for now, but stay connected to our channel by hitting that subscribe button for more upcoming leaks on the Galaxy S10 and Note 9, and do not forget to turn on the notifications for every video we upload. Like and share the video with your tech crazy friends, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Until then, peace.